Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off bold text on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the display and brightness, then tap. Then after that, in the display and brightness, go to appearance section, then find the bold text, and as you will see, there's a switch button located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it to enable until it becomes green. And if you want to disable or turn off, just click again the switch button. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off bold text on iPhone X. If you have a question, you can comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.